Let me tell you what it's like to own a Tesla. Well, I'm just like everybody else. I wake up every day. I brush my teeth just like you. I take pills just like every other 60-year-old man. And I pack my stuff for the day. I make breakfasts. I sit down and maybe watch the news for a few minutes. All these common things that everybody does. But when I get in my car, it just takes me to work. FSD and Tesla are completely amazing. I mean, what other car can you get in and drive from your driveway, even sometimes from your garage? Mine's a little tight, but and go all the way to their office without having to do anything but watch the roads. I mean, full self-driving is supervised. So that means you watch your mirrors, you watch your rear view mirror, you watch the road ahead of you, but it's just easier. I mean, I can sit back, relax on my way to work. I can drink a coffee. I can listen to music, which I love to listen to every morning. I can do pretty much whatever I want while I'm letting the car drive me. Like even in the mornings, I have my car already charging. I just unplug, put my bags in the trunk, and plug my charger back into the wall. It's that simple. Every day, I can wake up with a full battery. Now, I don't need a full battery every day because most of the time I'm just driving to work and back, work and back. Yes, that's the life that most of us live, right? I do go other places occasionally and sometimes make small road trips, but for the most part, I only need a small amount of my battery. So sometimes I don't charge in a day and sometimes I do. But when I do charge, I know that when I wake up, my car will be preconditioned, the battery already warmed up, which is really nice during the winter because if you precondition your vehicle, it's already warm, it's already warmed up for the battery for maximum efficiency, and it's already fully charged. And it doesn't cost a lot of money, not like gasoline. So, yeah, life is just easier when you own a Tesla and if you use full self-driving. Now, full self-driving isn't actually perfect, but it's pretty awesome. It handles most everything. It accelerates, it brakes, it slows down for cars that are ahead of you, it can stop for stop signs, it knows when to go at a four-way stop, even five-way stops, it knows what to do. It stops for lights, it goes on green, it avoids pedestrians, it watches everything around you. These 7 cameras in my version of the Tesla are pretty amazing at what they can see. But it's not perfect, and that's why it's still supervised. It's pretty darn close, I can tell you that much. So every day I do this drive, I go to work, and then when work is done, I come home. Now, one thing about the navigation system is once you put your work and home addresses in the computer, it basically knows that that's your routine. So every day when I get in my car, it already knows I'm going to work. Sure, I can cancel it if I'm not really going to work that day for some reason. And I can put something else in the navigation. Maybe I'm going to the dentist, maybe I'm going to the doctor's. Who knows? But when I'm done with work, I come back out to my car and it knows that it's time to go home. And that's a nice feeling. Going home at the end of a long day is a great feeling. And knowing that you're going to not have to do much to get there because the car can drive you itself, it's just truly, truly something to behold. I think everybody should try full self-driving. And if you haven't, it's pretty easy. So like in the Quad Cities, you can go and drive a Tesla and you don't even have to talk to anybody. You basically go to tesla.com/drive and you can sign up for a time slot to take a vehicle for an hour, 2 hours, and sometimes even a couple days. And you just drive it around, experience what full self-driving is, experience what it's like to use superchargers. It's just a pretty cool thing that you could do. Now, I've done this for a Model Y because maybe I might trade up. Right now, I'm driving a Model 3 Highland long range, but when I retire someday, maybe I'm going to want a bigger car with more space so I can lay down in the back and sleep, because I plan on going on road trips. And that's pretty cool as well, because I don't have to do most of the driving. I could drive probably all the way across the country without even touching the steering wheel or anything. That's what it's like to own a Tesla. Now, one thing that I do every day, or at least almost every day, is when I get home, I just pull in the garage again, plug in, and I start all over again. Owning a Tesla will make a difference in your life. You will notice it pretty quickly. It's just an amazing piece of technology, machinery, AI, and compute power on wheels. So when you see a Tesla, don't think of it as a car. Think of it as a computer on wheels, because that's really what it is. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, and I'm Quad Cities Tesla Guy. My name is Patrick, and if you did, please comment, like, and even subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you want to do that. And if you're looking to buy a Tesla, you can go to qcteslaguy.com and you click the referral button at the top of the page, and that'll get you 3 free months of full self-driving when you buy or lease a brand new Tesla. So until next time, use technology to drive safe so that you can live life. And the car even parks itself. Look at that. Pretty amazing. And just like that, we're at work.